Hello, Muskies. Anyone out there who's listening, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up your Google site. So you'll notice here when you click your tiles, one of your options on here should be Google Sites. You're going to go ahead and click that, and for most of you it will take you to this Classic Sites page here. But then what I would like you to do is click New Google Sites, and then it will take you to a page where you'll be able to select your site. And you're going to do that or create it by clicking the plus button right down there in the bottom right hand corner. And as we wait for this to open up, I've got a student here that's hovering. It's trying to make me a little bit nervous. I'm going to try to keep plugging through. And then once you get here, you've got a spot to put your page title. And then the big thing is you're going to share with others, and you're going to make sure in this case that you give every member of your team access to work on the page so that you can divide and conquer. And then there's a lot of features that you'll be able to utilize as you use your template work to then create your final page. So hopefully this is enough to just help you get your page started so that you and your team can begin to work on it. Thank you. Remember, today is a great day to be a Muskie.